hold your horses. Am I telling you to keep your horses or to grab your horses? No, it's not like this at all. So here's the question is, what does it mean? So sometimes in our life we need to suggest someone to wait for something or to keep his patient for the next one. So we need to just suggest something with the sentence called wait a bit or keep your patient. Like this way we can suggest someone to wait for something. So at this time we can also say hold your horses. Hold your horses. Here I'm not telling him or her that to keep his horses or to grab some horses. Rather, here I'm telling him, suggesting him to wait for something or to keep his patient for the next one. So hold your horses, it implies that wait for something, or you can also say that keeps patient for the next one. You can also say like this. তো এটা কিন্তু আমরা বাংলাতে বলে থাকি কোনো একটা বিষয়ে ধৈর্য ধরা। সো কখনো যদি আমাদের কাউকে বলতে হয়, কাউকে যদি সাজেস্ট করতে হয় কোনো একটা বিষয়ে, তাকে ধৈর্য ধরা, তার পেশেন্ট ক্রিয়েট করা, সো অ্যাট দিস টাইম আমরা কিন্তু বলতে পারি যে হোল্ড ইউর হোর্সেস, হোল্ড ইউর horses. It doesn't mean that I'm telling him to grab some horses, to grab his horses or her horses. So here I'm telling him, suggesting him to wait for something. So এটাকে আমরা বাংলায় বলে থাকি ধৈর্য ধরা, কোন একটা বিষয়ে ধৈর্য ধরা। So in English we can also say wait or patient, to keep patient for something or next one. So in English we can also use these kinds of alternative way, that is hold your horses if you want to mention to wait for something, to say someone to wait for something. So you can also use this smarter alternative way, that hold your horses. Hold your horses. It implies that you are suggesting him to wait for something. Okay, let's solve some examples, so it will be super easy and peasy for you. So if you think about some examples like don't be afraid about it, don't be afraid about it, hold your horses and your bedtime. I mean that don't be anxious about it, hold your horses at your bedtime. That here I'm telling him or her telling you that hold your horses at your bedtime. So sometimes we need to say wait or to keep someone patient. In this way, so we can also use these kinds of alternative way, this smart alternative way, that is hold your horses if you need to suggest someone to wait for something. So thank you so much guys for enjoying this short presentations. I hope you will next time kick out the word called wait and you will use the smarter one, that is hold your horses. So thank you so much guys for enjoying this short presentation, and if you want to get my more live presentations and video presentations, you can also follow and like my Facebook page Bijoy English Presentation, as well as you can subscribe my this YouTube channel bijoy.net. I hope this will really help you a lot to learn English and to improve your spoken English. So thank you so much guys for enjoying my this short presentation. See you in the next. Till then, bye bye.